ocean. Take a walk on the sandy beach. Feel the sunshine on my skin. Sit down at the beach bar with a cool drink in my hand. No worries in the world, enjoying the sound of the waves. Then I go for a dip in the pool. The water is so refreshing. I float on an inflatable, enjoying